Knickknack's Daily Teaser. Hello, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, good whatever it is, wherever you are. My name is Paul. I'm the man behind the blog Knickknacks Old Peculiar. I'm the man that runs his YouTube channel, Mr. Cuddy2977, and I'm the man behind the Daily Teaser. Yay! Maybe not. At any rate, this is the Daily Teaser for the 5th of November 2018. It is, of course, Bonfire Night. Yay! Lots of big fiery fireworks and bonfires and lots of big fiery fireworks, and of course 5 whole questions about the subject. Question 1. 5th of November is of course Bonfire Night in the UK. It marks the year Guy Fawkes was arrested trying to blow up Parliament during the Gunpowder Plot. In which year? Question number 2. Traditionally a bonfire is lit on the night tonight. Traditionally, the effigies burnt on those bonfires are usually called what? Question 3. What kind of sweet is traditionally supposed to be eaten on bonfire night? Chocolate, toffee, or rock? Question number 4. Bonfire night fireworks come in many colours. The red ones are based on chemical compounds that are either based on lithium or what? Question number 5, last one for today. Question number 5. Finally, Hawkes was arrested on the 5th of November in a cellar under the House of Lords. How many barrels of gunpowder did he have? Right, thank you for watching that little lot. I hope they're interesting. I hope they're excited. If you'd like to put in your answers, there's no prizes except the joy of answering some fiendishly fiery questions. If you'd like to put your answers in, though, the link to the relevant page on Knickknacks Old Peculiar is under this video. Click on that, scroll down to post a copy, comment, come back tomorrow. We'll see how you've done. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.
Questions set by Paul Knickknack Downey and released under the Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike 3.0 Unported license. Audio material and images are copyright of the respective owners. The presentation was written on an iMac, with Mac OS X, 14 using Pages 7, 2, Keynote 8. And iMovie 10, 1, 9. You can answer today's teaser, and yesterday's answers, at today's teaser posts, at Knickknacks Old Peculiar. The link is in the info box, under this video. Please feel free to subscribe, every view helps. Thank you for watching.